Hey y'all, welcome back to Heather Made Home. It's me, Heather, and today I am back in the classic contemporary house that I'm working on. Today I'm gonna be finishing up the entryway. If you haven't seen the lead up to this, you can definitely go back and check out those videos. I will put a link in the description or wherever it pops up on the screen because I can never remember. I'm gonna give you a quick overview of where we're at right now so you can see, and then I am putting together some furniture. I've got a few decor pieces that have come in. I'm hoping that while I'm here, the ottomans that we've been waiting on are delivered. I know those are supposed to come today. So this is just the final kind of push to get everything decorated. Let me show you what it looks like right now. So as you can see, we've got a lot of the main furniture pieces in here. In another video, I put together the table and then set up the shelves and the mirror over here. When she first moved in, we had put these pictures up just kind of as a placeholder. And then underneath here, I've got in this big box here is a shoe rack, and then some decor stuff that I picked up at Tuesday Morning in Home Goods, a lamp that I got from Target that I'm gonna be pairing with a really awesome lampshade from the UK, so I can't wait for that to come in, but I know that's not gonna be here today. So this is our current before. We're gonna fill this space out a little bit, make sure it feels homey so that when she gets home every day, she just feels good.
There's no place like home. There's no place like home.
So I'm gonna start putting together the lamp and the shoe rack because I think that's gonna take the longest. But yeah, let's head into it. This lamp was super easy to put together. It's a gorgeous like navy blue color, which totally fits the color scheme we have going, which is like a blue and yellow situation. It's, I think about 60 inches tall with the lampshade. It just came with this plain white lampshade, but I've ordered another one that has more yellow in it to just bring some more color into this space. This is actually a children's floor lamp. Just a quick tip, if you're trying to save some money, you can get yourself a cheap lamp base like this guy. This one was only $60. And then I kind of splurged on the lamp shade to give it more of a custom look. We had looked at other floor lamps that were, you know, a couple $100s. And I figured if we were gonna spend that much money, we might as well get one that's gonna be custom to her as much as we can. So by getting a cheap lamp base with a little bit more expensive lamp shade, she's gonna have a lamp that nobody else will have. So I'm excited about that. So this is actually where the lamp is gonna go. Also, how cute is this? Okay, I'm done. So now I have taken all the pieces for this shoe rack. No, it's like a shoe storage cabinet situation. So I've taken all the pieces out for that. They are all right here. This is definitely gonna be a little bit more complicated than just putting the legs on that table. So I'm gonna get started on putting this together, and it's gonna go over here on this wall underneath these pictures, which now that I'm looking at it are not really centered in this space. So I think I'm gonna have to move those two one step at a time. Let's keep it moving. I spent most of this time here that I've been here so far just taking selfies, so it's fine. Uh-oh, 2 people recommended. Oh, very difficult. Crap. It shouldn't be tempting to do this by myself, but you know what? Who run the world? Girls, I'm ready. Is that glue? What am I gonna have to do now? Ottomans are here. These ottomans just arrived. I'm still trying to put this shoe storage cabinet together, and I've made a giant mess, but we'll figure it out. So these are supposed to be like a light brown ottoman that is pleated. I wanted to get something with some upholstery to add some extra textures in here. So hopefully the color is right, because you know it's gonna be hard to tell what color things are online. So should be like a light yellow brown. Yes. We have a lot of bright yellow going on in here. Like, oh, let me show you. Like this. These are the curtains that we have. So it's a lot of bright yellow. And we are gonna have some of that going on in the entryway as well. But for these ottomans, to make them a little more versatile, I wanted to get not as bright a yellow. Something that reads yellow, but not super bright. So this is what these guys look like. It's like a creamy. Ooh, these are cute. See, that's got the pleating in there. I'm gonna leave it in the plastic until I'm ready to put it where it needs to go, but yes, these look good. It is starting to look so good in here. This used to really just be an open space where nothing was in here except for a rug. So I'm really loving how this is coming along. My drill just ran out of power, so I'm gonna have to come back tomorrow and finish this, but everything is looking awesome. We've got the ottomans in, which are perfect. They're so cute, so soft. The lamp, and some of the little decor stuff. I started putting the shoe rack together. This is gonna look so cool once it's done, but my drill ran out of power, so I couldn't finish putting on the other door. There's another door that goes over here to close off this side. This side can stay open. Yeah, feeling good about this today. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and finish it up. So definitely keep watching to see the full reveal. Temporary house. It is day 2 of this final install. I need to finish putting together the shoe storage rack. So there's 2 doors that need to go on, and that's it. That's the end of it. It was quite a process to put this thing together. Okay, but it's all good. Luckily, that's one of my skills I can put on my resume. Good at putting together furniture. There's a couple things that I'm still waiting on being delivered. We've got a set of frames, and we've got a custom lampshade. Everything else I'm going to get situated today. Frames are actually supposed to be delivered today, so I might come back this afternoon and just pop those in. This is the completed shoe storage. Yay, we did it. I love that it has this diagonal detail here. This is walnut and white. This can hold, I think, up to 16 pairs of shoes, it said. This looks like it can hold more than 16 pairs of shoes. So this opens up. You can store your shoes in there. And I mean, you could put more shoes over there on that side. I think it would be a great place to store books, or just put some more decor over there too. So, but I think this is a really good purchase. I got this one at Joss & Main. Putting these things up here. But what I need to keep in mind while I'm doing this is that there are also going to be picture frames on these shelves right here. I bought a set of 7 silver frames with a white matte background from Amazon. There's no way 7 of them are gonna fit here, but we've got a lot to accessorize throughout her house, and it was only like 35 bucks for all 7 frames. I mean, I'm hoping that I can get those picture frames in today, because I'm ready to see this thing fully complete. Room for a couple frames up here. I feel like we could do at least 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we're gonna get at least 4 or 5 picture frames on here. She's already sent me pictures, so hopefully I get those today. I'm gonna go home, print out the pictures that we need. We're almost there, people. We're almost there. Before we take a look at the final reveal, let's look at what this space looked like at the very beginning. This space already had a rug and the 3 tree canvases, but otherwise it was basically a blank slate. We wanted to create an environment that had a classy contemporary style and was warm and welcoming every time we walked through the door. And here is the final result. entryway turned out beautifully and went a long way towards making this house feel like a home. If you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I will catch you in the next video. In the meantime, keep it real.